Turn on the Hatch Restore. Membership for $50? Worth it? Not worth it? Today I want to talk about the premium membership for the Hatch Restore and why I think it's worth the cost. What is up guys? It's Chris with Everyday Chris and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for home, tech, and everyday life. I just want to say thank you to everyone for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. It's insane how I got here. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. So make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a giveaway soon. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. As you know, I love my Hatch Restore. But today I'm going to dive down and go into detail on the premium membership to see if it's worth the cost of paying $5 a month or $50 a year. I've gotten so much feedback on my review of the Hatch Restore, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys click on the link to see an in-depth review on that product. Also do go over all the free sounds in that video. Now honestly, we love our Hatch Restore. The light is completely dimmable but bright with a ton of color options. The speaker is loud and immersive. And with their premium subscription, I can sleep easier thanks to their new meditations, sleep stories, and sleep sounds that update frequently. Let's get straight into those special sounds for the premium membership. The first is sleep mixes. It's pretty much a shuffle of different sleep sounds or meditations that changes with every new sleep session. In total, they give you 6 sleep mixes and they add more every few weeks. This is a great option if you don't want to choose your meditation, but you still want a different sound every night. Next up is sleep meditations. Now, there are a few free ones without the subscription. However, with the subscription, they have been constantly adding new meditations every few weeks. And there are now a total of 48 sleep meditations, all varying in times from 5 minutes to even 45 minutes. I've been so used to hearing my boy David's voice, so it was a nice change after I got the premium membership to hear other people talking as well. There are so many meditations that help you relax, control your breathing, and prepare you for sleep. A few of my favorites are breath awareness.
Let's begin by finding a comfortable position.
Drifting to rest.
Finding a way to transition from the day, letting go of worries about upcoming plans and thoughts about the past.
And the goodness of gratitude.
And welcome to this gratitude meditation for finding your way to a calm and peaceful sleep.
With the sleep sounds, these are all free and they do come with the device. I did notice they added a few new ones though, so that's a nice touch. Moving on to a new tab, back to sleep. I love these meditations. It really helps bring you back to sleep if you wake up in the middle of the night and you can't go back to sleep. However, my wife does use this the most and sometimes it freaks me out in the middle of the night because I'd hear an evening campfire and all of a sudden hear a man talking, which is a little scary. Luckily, I also use the Bose Sleep Buds 2 that really helps drown out the ambient noise and helps me stay asleep. I did do a review on that, so make sure you guys click on the link for that as well. In total, there are 8 back to sleep meditations. A few of them include exhaling to sleep and stillness.
Welcome to this exhaling into stillness and sleep meditation. Perhaps you've woken up and are trying to fall back to sleep due to a sound.
Wee hours.
It's the middle of the night and you're awake. That's fine. Sometimes it happens. There may be some release of tension in your system going on.
And one of my personal favorites, deep muscle relax.
Hello and welcome to this deep muscle relaxation meditation. You may be here because you've woken up and you're trying to fall back to sleep.
Now I love my sleep stories. I don't even know what they're talking about, but just listening to some boring story really honestly helps me relax and fall asleep. With premium, you get a total of 20 sleep stories. A lot of them are super random, but for some reason, it's pretty calming. Freud dream psychology is definitely an interesting one, and that one always puts me to sleep.
Born in 1856, Sigmund Freud changed the way the human personality was understood and treated.
As well as Rainy Day making soup.
I'm about to tell you a bedtime story to help you relax and ease your mind into sleep.
They also all vary in time, ranging from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Now, Soundscapes is like a premium version of the sleep sounds. It's unique sounds from different areas of the world, making it super unique. There's city sounds in Monterey, forest walk in the rain, and glacier sounds in Iceland. Altogether, there are about 12 soundscape sounds lasting anywhere between 15 to 45 minutes. Next is music, and this is another awesome new feature with Premium. I use this all the time when I don't want to listen to a meditation, and it really helps calm me and relaxes me and prepares me for sleep. I'm not sure how they do it, but anytime I turn on the music, that alone really helps me fall asleep, and I don't even remember ever finishing a song. Altogether, there are 19 music melodies that range from 3 minutes to 30 minutes. A few good ones are Endless Dreams, Joyous Revere, and A Zen Flight. Another new feature with their Hatch Premium is yoga and stretches. After waking up, you can actually set another sleep step that helps you wake up easier and prepares you for the day. This is totally a nice feature to have because whenever I use this morning meditation, it really does help set the mood for the day, and I just feel happier and full of life. Currently, there are 15 yoga and stretches to do. Some of them are Open to Opportunity.
Take a slow, deep breath in to welcome in the day and a long breath out.
Core Strong.
Good morning. Rise and shine. Today we are going to focus on strengthening the core, our center.
And Heart Meditation.
And as you organically start to simply wake up.
Now, something similar to yoga and stretches is the next one, which is mindfulness. These are quick meditations to help calm yourself before you start your day. There are 13 mindfulness meditations. Next category is Fall Asleep Faster. This is very similar to the Fall Back Asleep section. However, they are different meditations to help relax you and help you fall asleep. Altogether, there are 9 fall asleep faster sounds. Some of them are belly breathing,
Begin by finding a comfortable position.
float back to sleep,
Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for relaxing the mind back into sleep.
unguided timer, which I love. And finally, the last sleep meditations is Relax with Meditations, which is another series of meditations to help you relax and fall asleep. In total, there are 8 relaxed meditations. There's Put Away the Day,
Putting away the day. After a night of rest, you'll be ready for what tomorrow brings.
and the 2 words of gratitude.
Welcome to this meditation for gently drifting off into sleep through gratitude.
They also have a What's Trending section as well as an Unwind for the Day section, which is pretty much the meditation hits. Now, at first, I was very hesitant about paying for a premium membership when I purchased the Hatch Restore. However, I feel now it's worth it. What I love about the Hatch Premium membership is they're constantly adding new sounds, meditations, and music to make the experience more enjoyable. Right now, altogether, there are about 146 sleep sounds and meditations on the premium subscription. I love how it integrates so well with the Hatch Restore, and after the meditation is done, it slowly fades and enters your next step, whichever it may be. With the Hatch Restore Premium, they're really trying to restore the body's mental and physical state, not just when you're sleeping or before you're sleeping, but when you wake up as well. For us, it's definitely worth that $50 a year. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button and again, subscribe to the channel for that 1K giveaway. I'll see you guys next week.